Hello students, in this video we are going to study the remaining exercise of chapter 2. The chapter name is Altogether Class 5 Subject EVS GCRT. So before starting the exercise, let me recall what we had learned in the previous videos of this chapter. So in the first video we had seen that one story which gave the moral that unity is strength. And from that story we had learned the importance of unity. Then we had seen that India, our country, is rich in diversity. And we found this diversity in religion, caste, language, status, etc. And we had seen that we are getting all the facilities equally in our country, and we getting the land to grow food and to build the houses from the environment, air to breathe and water to drink. Then we had seen one story of a boy whose name was Aryan. He came to Ahmedabad from the other city, and earlier he didn't have anything. Then slowly he found all the essential things that are required to live a life. Then we had seen some items, the materials that are used to make those items, and what is our responsibility towards the natural sources like trees, animals and plants to conserve or to save them, as we are getting this item that we had seen coat, then after meal or food that we are eating or clothes, because we are getting these items from the natural resources. So we had seen our responsibilities towards the natural sources like trees, animals and plants to conserve or to save them, so we can get these items for longer duration of time. Then from some picture we had seen the whole process of food or meal that we are getting at our home, starting from crop production or crop grown in the field to the sabzi or chapati that we are eating. Then after we had seen one story of a girl whose name was Rupal. She was suffering from a disease called polio from her childhood. And earlier she was not able to go to school, but she was very interested in study. And she also wanted to go to school. So after some time one organization donated her a wheelchair, so after that she would be able to go to school with the help of her neighboring boy and all the teachers, her classmates and parents. Then after we had seen a story of a potter, how he was making the pots and how he is selling that pots. So earlier we had seen that he first dig the soil from the field, and then after he transferred that soil from the field to his house with the help of natural resources, that is animal, and we had seen he is using donkey for that. Then after we had seen at his home he is making the pots with the help of soil, wheel and water. Then after his pots were ready, but it was raw, so he baked those pots in the kiln which is made up of bricks, and in which he is fixed this or fed these pots, and then after he bake or heat this pot. Then after his pots were ready to transport to the market, so he took the help of the vehicle driver, that is truck driver or the another vehicle driver, to transport those pots to the market. So this is how this truck driver or vehicle driver is also get involved in this process. Then he is transporting these pots to the trader or to businessman to sell those pots in the market. So this is how the businessman also connected in this process. So we had seen this story. Then after we had seen that various kinds of professionals are connected with each other, and we had seen some of the examples like this pot. In making process of pot, porter, driver and businessmen are connected with each other. How they are connected with each other? So porter makes ports, then after driver transport those ports to the businessman or to the market, and then after businessman sells those ports. Then after we had seen another example, that is making process of ice cream. So in this process the different professions or professionals are connected with each other are the people who are doing animal husbandry, then after businessmen and vendors. So what is now animal husbandry that we had seen? That the people are rearing animals to get milk from those animals. So this is how those people get the milk from animals, and then after they sold that milk to the businessmen. Businessmen buy this milk and made the ice cream from the milk. And then after he sold this ice cream to the vendors. Now vendors went to street to sell this ice cream. So this is how we are getting the ice cream at our home. In this process the people who are connected with each other are people who is doing animal husbandry, businessmen and vendors. Then we had seen the example of clothes. So in this profession the different professionals or the different peoples which are connected with each other are tailor, shopkeeper and washerman. So now what they are doing in this profession? So tailor makes the dresses from the fabric. Then after your dress is ready, so he give or sell these dresses to the shopkeeper. Now shopkeeper sells these dresses to us or to his customer. Now customer bought the dresses, and after they wear these dresses, and after wearing they are giving these dresses to wash. So washerman washes these dresses. So this is how these three people are connected in the process of these clothes. So that is tailor, shopkeeper and washerman. So from these examples we had seen that no work is considered as high or low. Every work is equal, and depending on each other we can all live an easy life. Then after we had seen that our life is dependent upon many natural resources and people from these examples, and we are getting most of the things from the natural resources, but many times we harm the nature to avail or to get these various facilities from the nature. So we should not do this. We should conserve or to save our environment or nature. And then we had seen that many hands make light work, or if we are working together then we can make any work as the easy, and if we are fighting with each other at all the times then any work can be impossible. So we had seen the importance of the unity at the last of the chapter. So these are the things that we had learned in this chapter. Then after we had seen the textbook solution or two tables that were given in the textbook. So we filled that tables, and then after we had wrote the textbook question answer in the notebook and hard words of this chapter. So now in this video we will see the remaining exercise of this chapter. So now let me start the remaining exercise. The question 2. Next question is question 2. Fill in the blanks. In this first blank is India is a country with rich blank. So as in the starting we had seen that India is a country with rich diversity. So the answer is diversity. The spelling is already given to you. Diversity. Diversity. Our country is rich in diversity. And we had already seen in which we are finding this diversity. So we are finding diversity in religion, caste and many other things. The next blank is environment gives us blank to grow food and build houses. So environment gives us land to grow food and build houses. So our answer is land. This is the natural resource that we are getting from the environment, and how we are utilizing it. So we are growing food on the land and building the houses on the land. Next is environment gives us blank to drink. So environment gives us water to drink. So our answer is water. This is the natural resource that we are getting from the environment. Fourth number is environment gives us blank to breathe. So environment gives us air to breathe. So all these three are the natural resources, that is air, water and land, that we are getting from the environment. And how we are utilizing it? So we are using air to breathe, water to drink and land to grow food or to build houses. So this is how we are using these natural resources. Next fifth number is once a boy named Aryan reached blank city. So in this story we had seen once a boy whose name was Aryan reached Ahmedabad city. So the answer is Ahmedabad. Next is coat is made from blank. So in the picture we had in the textbook we had seen the three different items were given us. The picture of the items were given and we found from which sources we are getting this item and what are the natural resources that are providing this item to us. So coat is made from wood and we are getting this wood from the trees. And then we had also seen what is our responsibilities towards these natural resources. So we had seen that we should maintain the trees. So here your answer is wood. Coat is made from wood. Next seventh number is Rupal had been suffering from blank in both her legs since childhood. So here your answer is polio. In the story of Rupal, we had seen that Rupal had been suffering from the disease which is called polio from her childhood, and because of this disease she could not be able to walk on her legs. So here the answer is polio. Now next 8 number is one organization donated a blank to Rupal. So your answer is wheelchair. One organization donated her a wheelchair. So after that she could be able to go to school with the help of that wheelchair. So here the answer is wheelchair. Next is our life is dependent upon many blank resources and people. So at the end of the chapter, as we had seen, our life is dependent upon many natural resources and other peoples also. We are connected with the other people by their profession. So our life is, or we are getting all the facility from the natural resources. So our life is dependent upon natural resources and people. So here the filling the blanks gets over. Next question is question 3, that is true false. So write true or false. In that first one, the first is Aryan came to Ahmedabad with his parents. So your answer is false. Aryan came to Ahmedabad alone. He is not came with his parent. She was all alone in the city. So your answer is false. Next is our country shows diversity in religion, caste, language, sex and status. So your answer is true, as in the chapter the first page we had seen that our country is rich in diversity and we are finding this diversity in religion, caste, language, sex and status. So your answer is true. Next third number, in our country we are not provided with equal facilities. So your answer is false. As we had seen in the chapter, our country is rich in diversity and we all in our country are getting or we are provided with equal facilities without any discrimination. So we are providing with the equal facilities. So here your answer is false. Next is Aryan's first house would be a big house. So again your answer is false. Aryan came to Ahmedabad alone and earlier he has nothing like to stay a place, to eat anything or to drink water. So his first house would be a roadside pipeline or roadside pipe. It would not be a big house. So here your answer is false. Aryan's first house would be a roadside pipeline. It's not a big house. Next is clothes are made from natural sources like silk and cotton. So yes, here your answer is true. Clothes are made from the natural sources like silk and cotton. We are getting this silk from the silkworms, so it is the natural resource, and cotton from the cotton plants. So these both are the natural resources. So we are getting these clothes from the natural sources like silk and cotton. Next is 6 number. Rupal came to school with the help of her sister. So here your answer is false. Rupal came to school with the help of her neighboring boy. Her neighboring boy bring her to school every day. So here your answer is false. Next is we use pots to store water and to cook rice. So yes, your answer is true. We are using pots to store water, and many people are using these pots to cook food or to cook rice. So your answer is true. Next is washerman stitches the clothes. So your answer is false. Washerman washes the dresses or washes the clothes. It should washerman does not stitches the dress, or he does not stitch the dresses, but the tailor stitches the clothes or tailor stitches the dresses. So here your answer is false. Next is many hands make the work difficult. So as in this story we had seen the power of unity or the importance of unity, that we had seen many hands make the work easy. It's not difficult. If many people are doing one work, the work will become easier. So here your answer is false. So here the next question, question 3, that is true false, gets over. The next question is match the following, question number 4. So here in the column A, the different name of the profession or different professions is given to you, and in the column B, what these people are doing, their work is given to you. You have to match these columns. So first profession is given to you, that is potter. So or in the column the name of the profession, let me first read what are they given to you. So that is potter, tailor, cobbler, costermonger and cattle rearer. It's given to you. And in column B it's given to you, that is makes footwear, sells milk, stitches clothes, makes pots and sells vegetables. These things are given to you in column B. So now let me start with the first one, that is potter. So potter makes the pots. So here your answer is D. Potter makes the pots. Next is tailor. So tailor stitches the clothes. So here your answer is C. Stitches clothes. Next is cobbler. So cobbler makes footwear. So your answer is option A, makes footwear. Next is costermonger. So he sells the vegetables. So your answer is sells the vegetables. Costermonger, that means a person who bring handcart with him and who is wandering street to sell the vegetables. So that person is known as the costermonger. So he sells the vegetables. So here your answer is option E, sells vegetables. Next is cattle rearer. That means the people who are rearing animals. So what they are doing, so they are selling the milk. So sells milk. So here with the cattle rearer, sells milk will come. So these are the answers of the matching. Let me see here. Here the answer of this matching is given to you. That is first with D, that is potter makes pot. Second come with C, that is tailor stitches clothes. Third will come with A, that is cobbler makes footwear. Fourth number is costermonger, so he sells vegetables. So with 4, E option will come. And last one, cattle rearer, that is fifth number, with that B option will come. So he sells milk. So with fifth number, its answer is B. So here our exercise gets over. So what we had seen in this chapter, that is, we had seen our country India is rich in diversity, and we found this diversity in different aspects, that is in religion, caste, language, etc. And we are getting, and because of this we are getting equal facilities, and we are provided with equal facilities. There is no discrimination for getting these facilities. Then after we had seen the story of a boy named was Aryan who came to Ahmedabad alone. Earlier he didn't have anything. Then after slowly with his hard work he got all the things that are required to live a life. Then after we had seen some of the name of the items which pictures are given in the textbook, and we had seen from what materials we are getting these items and from which natural sources we are getting this item. So in that we had seen that most of the items we are getting from the natural resources. So because of that we should conserve or we should save the natural resources. So we had seen our responsibilities towards these natural resources. Then after from some pictures we had seen that how we are getting the sabzi or chapati that we are eating at home. What is the whole process that is starting from the crop production or crop that is grown in the field to the sabzi or chapati that we are eating at our home. Then after we had seen a story of a girl whose name was Rupal and from what disease she was suffering. So we had seen she was suffering from a polio, and because of that she would not be able to walk on her legs. And then after one organization donated her a wheelchair, and then after she would be able to go to school. And we had seen she was very interested in studying. Then after we had seen a story of a potter, how he is making his pots and what is the whole process and how he is connected with the different professionals in his making process of pots. So from the some of the examples we had seen that different professionals or various kinds of professionals are connected with each other. In that we had seen the example of pot, in which potter, driver and businessmen are connected with each other. Then after we had seen making process of ice cream. So in that people who are doing animal husbandry, businessmen and vendors are connected, and in making process of clothes, tailor, shopkeeper and washermen are connected with each other. And this is how we had seen that no work is considered as high or low, or we are dependent on many natural resources as well as people also. So we have to keep a respectful attitude towards the natural resources. So this we had seen in this chapter, and we had seen some of the exercise also in this chapter. So here our chapter 2 gets over. In the next video we will see our next chapter. Thank you.